Hi everyone, welcome to A Square Maths Academy. So today we will discuss about one more type of long questions we'll discuss today. So most important questions these are also from the chapter addition of vectors. Okay na students? Addition of vectors నుంచి మరి ఇంకో లాంగ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఎలా వస్తుంది అంటే ఒకటి లాంగ్ క్వశ్చన్ వస్తుంది కాబట్టి ఆ కోప్లం కాకుండా ఇంకా వేరే విధంగా ఉండే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఏ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వస్తాయి అంటే ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వచ్చే అవకాశం ఉంటుందమ్మా. ఓకేనా? See here, before going to starting the class, I request to all, please students, like, share and subscribe to our channel A Square Maths Academy. Okay students, now let us start the class. See here, find the vector equation of the plane passing through points 4i minus 3j minus k, 3i plus 7j minus 10k and 2i plus 5j minus 7k. Okay, so up to this one is question totally given here. What is that one? Vector equation. Find out the vector equation passing through 3 points here. Okay na? So see here, vector equation passing through the point parallel to vector is r equals to a plus tb. R equals to a plus tb. So this is one type of equation. Okay, vector equation passing to the point parallel to vector, that is nothing but r equals to a plus tb. Next, the second equation is nothing passing through the 2 points here. Passing through 2 points, that is nothing but r equals to 1 minus t into a plus tb. Okay na, where a of a comma b of b are the points here. Okay na, see here a of a comma point, b be the vector. Now see here, passing through the 3 points here. Okay, passing through the 3 points. So vector equation is nothing but r equals to 1 minus t minus s into a plus tb plus sc. Okay, so that is nothing but here a of a comma b of b comma c of c are the points here. Okay na? So these are the 3 most important questions here, most important formulas. Okay, vector equation passing to the 1 point parallel to the vector, passing to the 2 points, passing to the 3 points here. Okay, so in very short questions also these type of questions also will be there. Okay, అంటే very short questions లో కూడా మనకి ఇలాంటి ఫార్ములా మీద డిపెండ్ అయిన ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వస్తాయి కాబట్టి అందుకనే ఇక్కడే మరోసారి చెప్పడం జరుగుతుంది. అప్పుడు మనం వెరీ షార్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ డిస్కస్ చేసినప్పుడు కూడా వీటి గురించి డిస్కస్ చేస్తాం, కాకపోతే మరోసారి ఇక్కడ గుర్తు చేస్తున్నాం. ఓకేనా? ఓకే, రైట్. నౌ సీ హియర్. సో వెక్టర్ ఈక్వేషన్ పాసింగ్ టు ది 3 పాయింట్స్ కాబట్టి ఓకేనా, వెక్టర్ ఈక్వేషన్ పాసింగ్ టు ది 3 పాయింట్స్ హియర్. సో లెట్ us take a of a equals to given first point, that is 4i minus 3j minus k, and b of b equals to 3i plus 7j minus 10k, and c of c equals to 2i plus 5j minus 7k. So these are the 3 points here, a of a, b of b and c of c. Okay na? So see here, the vector equation passing through 3 points is r equals to 1 minus t minus s into a plus tb plus sc. Okay, so here this is the equation. Okay, so now I will write now r equals to 1 minus t minus s into a. What is a? That is nothing but 4i minus 3j minus k, plus t into b 3i plus 7j minus 10k, plus s into c 2i plus 5j minus 7k. Okay na? So this is the vector equation. Clear? So now right now, so r equals to 1 minus t minus s into a is nothing but here multiplied by this one. Okay, so what we get here? Here I, here also I, here also I. Okay, j, 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 K, K, K. So similar terms are there. Clear? I comma j comma k. Okay. So in these 3 points here, so we have to take here. First of all, I will write here I coefficients only. What are the I coefficients here? Here I coefficient, and here also I coefficient is there, and here also I coefficient is there. So I will write only I coefficients. What is that one here? Here coefficient is nothing but 4. 4 into this one. So this is also multiplied by totally 4i minus 3j minus k. That's why 4 into this one also we write now. That is the coefficient of 1 minus coefficient of I. Clear? అంటే అంత 4 into దీంతో మల్టిప్లై చేసిన తర్వాత వచ్చేది దీని యొక్క కోఎఫిషియంట్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి 4 ఆఫ్ 1 minus t minus s into I. Clear? So why? Because here vector is nothing but in the form of I plus j plus k, xi plus yj plus zk like this. Okay? అంటే xi plus yj plus zk రూపంలో ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ఆ ఫామ్ లోకి తీసుకొస్తున్నాం. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ not only this one here I. So here also I quotient is there. So I will write here that is also. So that is 3 into t. 3 into t. Next here also there. That is 2 into s. So there are no coefficients for we are writing. Okay. So enough this is 4 of 1 minus t minus s into I is there, and 3t into I is there, 2s into I is there. So that's why we write now. Next we write now coefficients of j. So what are they? Again here coefficient of j is nothing but minus 3, here plus 7, here plus 5. That values are multiplied by s comma t comma 1 minus t minus s. Okay. So that's why we write now. First of all, I will write here coefficients of j. What are they? Minus 3 into this one. So minus 3 of 1 minus t minus s into j is there. Clear? So then after, in this case also j is there. So that's why plus 7 into t. Here also j is there. So plus 5 s into n of it is. Okay. Na? Next, same type of k coefficients we write now. So that is nothing but minus 1 into this one. So minus of this one is nothing minus 1 plus t plus s. Minus 1 multiply చేస్తే minus 1 అవుతుంది, minus into minus plus 1 అవుతుంది, plus t అవుతుంది, minus into minus plus s అవుతుంది. Next k, ఇక్కడ k coefficient ఏముంది minus 10 and t is there minus 10t. Here minus 7 and s is there minus 7s. k. ఓకేనా? ఇప్పుడు మనకు I coefficient రాసినాం, j coefficient రాసినాం, k coefficient రాసినాం, మొత్తం టోటల్ ఈక్వేషన్ నుంచి. ఓకేనా? సో see here r equals to multiply this 4 into 1 4 minus 4t minus 4s plus 3t plus 2s into I. Minus 3 minus into minus plus 3t plus 3s plus 7t plus 5s j. Okay, next here plus minus 1 as it is, plus t minus 10t, that is minus 90, plus s minus 7s minus 6s into k. Okay, now simply this is here r equals we got here, that is nothing but 4 as it is, constant only, minus 4t plus 3t minus t minus 4s plus 2s minus 2s into I, plus 3 of plus of minus 3 plus 3t plus 7t plus 10t plus 3s plus 5s plus 8s into j. Next I will write here now coefficients of k. Okay, so this is equation number 1 we take here. We got here r equals to xi plus yj plus zk form. Okay students here. So now we write here, then after show that this point lies in the plane, this plane. Okay na? ఈ పాయింట్ అనేది ఈ ప్లేన్ లో ఉందని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి మనం. క్లియర్? హౌ టు ప్రూవ్? సీ హియర్. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ లెట్ us take r equals, suppose r equals to I plus 2j minus 3k b lies in the plane. In the plane. Okay na? R equals to I plus 2j plus 2j minus 3k b lie in the plane. So I will take here that one. Then what we get here? I plus 2j minus 3k. Why? Because this is also r equals to. So both are same values in LHS. Now I will write here r is also equal. So 4 minus t minus 2s into I minus 3 plus 10t plus 8s into j minus 1 minus 90 minus 6s into k. Okay. Now equating the coefficients here. I coefficient is there, here also I coefficient is there. J coefficient is there, here also J coefficients. K and K. Okay. On equating both sides here. Comparing the coefficients of I comma J comma K. Clear? On equating the coefficients of I comma J comma K. I comma J comma K. Here, I coefficient here. So I coefficient. So here 1 is there, 1 as it is, 1 that equals to, here in RHS 4 minus t minus 2s. Okay na? 4 minus t minus 2s. Next, see here, suppose here minus t minus 2s is there. So we are taking this side, we get here plus t plus 2s, that equals to 4 minus 1, we get here 1, take this side, we get here minus 1. And t plus 2s equals to 3, we get here, that is equation number 2. Okay now students, t plus 2s equals to 3 we got here. Next one, j coefficient I will write here. So what is j coefficient here? J coefficient is nothing but 2, that equals to minus 3 plus 10t plus 8s plus 8s. Okay now that is the j coefficient of in RHS. So see here plus 10t plus 8s is there, so there are no changes here. So plus 10t plus 8s as it is. Now minus 3 take this side, we get here plus 2 plus 3 we get here, that is 5 we get here. So 10t plus 8s equals to 5. This is equation number 3. Okay now I will write here k coefficient also. What is k coefficient here? K coefficient is nothing but minus 3 that equals to minus 1 minus 9t minus 6s. That implies what we get here? So minus 90 minus 6s is there. So take this side here, we get plus 90 plus 6s. That equals to minus 1 as it is. Minus 1 as it is. So minus 3 take that side, we get here plus 3, that equals to 3 minus 1 2. So we got here, that implies 90 plus 6s equals to 2. So this is equation number 4. So we got here equation number 2 and 3 and 4 also. 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay. So see here 2 comma 3 comma 4 are the equations here. So we are solving these two equations. What we get here? We get here t comma s values. So we are getting t comma s values. Then we are substituting in equation 4. Then satisfy that equation. So given point lies in the plane. Okay na? Ante మనకు ఇక్కడ t కామా s వాల్యూస్ ఈ రెండింటిని సాల్వ్ చేస్తే మనకు t కామా s వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. ఆ వాల్యూస్ ని ఫోర్త్ ఈక్వేషన్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తే మనకు ఈ పాయింట్ అనేది ఈ ప్లేన్ లో ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వీఆర్ సాల్వింగ్ దీస్ టూ ఈక్వేషన్స్. ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ది వాల్యూస్ ఆఫ్ t కామా s. ఓకేనా? t ప్లస్ 2s ఈక్వల్స్ టు 3, 10t ప్లస్ సో ఆన్ సాల్వింగ్ 2 and 3. What we get here? T plus 2s equals to 3. 10t plus 8s equals to 5. Okay. So multiplied by 4. Why? Because 8s is there. Okay na? So 4t plus 4 2s are 8s. 4 3s are 12. So we are solving these two equations. What we get here? So plus 8 minus 8. So minus minus minus. First of all, we are changing the signs. Okay na? So plus 8 minus 8 both are cancelled. So 8s cancel. So 10t minus 4t is nothing but 6t we get here. 5 minus 12, that is nothing but minus 7. So t equals to minus 7 by 6 we got here. Okay na? Now from equation number 2, from 2, t plus 2s equals to 3. So minus 7 by 6 plus 2s equals to 3. So 2s equals to 3 plus 7 by 6. 7 by 6. So what we get here? 2s equals to 18 plus 7 by 6 we get here. So 2s equals to 25 by 6. So s equals 25 by 12 we get here. So we got here s value also. Okay, t value minus 7 by 6. So s is also, s is 25 by 12 we got here. Okay na? Now we got here t equals minus 7 by 6 and s equals 25 by 12. Then after we are substituting t comma s values in equation 4. So what we get here, see here, 9 into t minus 7 by 6 plus 6 into s is nothing but 25 by 12, that equals to 2. So 2 equals to 2 suppose we got here, then satisfy the equation. Okay, clear? 2 equals to vaste aa equation satisfy chestadi. So that implies minus 63 by 6, 25 6 are 150 divided by 12, that equals to 2. Okay, now take LCM. What we get here? 12 is LCM. Okay, 12 is LCM. Minus 63 is there, plus 6 is there. So 6 into 2, 12 we get here. So 2 is multiplied by 63 minus 126 we get here, plus 150 as it is, that equals to 2. That implies minus 24, so plus 24 by 12, that equals to 2. So 2 equals to 2 we got here. 12 ones are 12 twos are. 2 equals to 2. So LHS equals to RHS we got here. So that's why we are substituting t equals to minus 7 by 6 and s equals 25 by 12 in equation number 4. That satisfy the equation. Okay students, here అంటే ఇక్కడ ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 4 లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి given point, what is given point here? That is nothing but I plus 2j minus 3k. I plus 2j, given point I plus 2j minus 3k lies in the plane. Lies in the plane. Okay students, here. So this is the most important question for 7 marks from the chapter addition of vectors. Okay. So one more question also there. So we will discuss that question also. Now next question is nothing but here. Find the vector equation of the plane which passes through the points 2i plus 4j plus 2k, 2i plus 3j plus 5k and parallel to the vector 3i minus 2j plus k. Also find the point where this plane meets the line joining the points 2i plus j plus 3k and 4i minus 2j plus 3k. అంటే ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్ అనేది ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ అండర్స్టాండ్ కావాలమ్మా. ఎలా అంటే ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటి అంటే వెక్టార్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ఏమంటున్నాడు. ఆ వెక్టార్ ఈక్వేషన్ అంటే ఏంటంటే పాసింగ్ త్రూ 2 పాయింట్స్ ప్యారలల్ టు 1 వెక్టార్ అన్నాడమ్మా. ఇది మనకు చూసుకున్నట్లయితే ఫస్ట్ పాసింగ్ టు ది 2 పాయింట్స్ ప్యారలల్ టు ది 1 వెక్టర్ అన్నమాట. పాసింగ్ టు ది 1 పాయింట్ ప్యారలల్ టు 1 వెక్టర్ అంటే ఎంత మనం చెప్పాను, r ఈక్వల్స్ టు a ప్లస్ tb అని. పాసింగ్ టు ది 1 పాయింట్ ప్యారలల్ టు ది 1 వెక్టర్. పాసింగ్ టు ది 2 పాయింట్స్ అంటే మనకి ఈక్వేషన్ చెప్పాను ఏంటిది, 1 మైనస్ t ఇంటూ a ప్లస్ tb అని చెప్పాను. అంటే ఈ రెండింటి కాంబినేషన్ లో చూస్తే పాసింగ్ టు ది 2 పాయింట్స్ ఉంది, ప్యారలల్ టు 1 వెక్టర్ ఉంది. కాబట్టి ఏం చేయాలి, r equals to 1 minus t into a plus tb plus sc. We take it. Okay. Now see here. Let us take a of a equals to given first pointer 2i plus 4j plus 2k and b of b equals to second pointer 2i plus 3j plus 5k. Okay, now these are the 2 points here, passing to the 2 points and another vector here, that is c. So let us take c equals to 3i minus 2j plus k. So I will write here this one also, c equals to 3i minus 2j plus k. Okay na? So see here I will write here the vector equation passing through 2 points, passing through 2 points and parallel to 1 vector. Okay, 1 vector is nothing but I will write here r equals to 1 minus t into a plus tb. This is passing to the 2 points here. Now parallel to 1 vector is nothing but plus sc. Plus sc we take here. Okay, now up to this one here, passing to the 2 points here. This is parallel to vector c. Then we write now plus sc. Okay, now So now we substitute here r equals to 1 minus t into a. What is a? 2i plus 4j plus 2k plus t into b, 2i plus 3j plus 5k plus s into c, 3i minus 2j plus k. Okay na? Now see here. Same simplify it is. First of all, we write here I coefficients here, then after j, then after k. Okay na? So what is I coefficient here? Plus 2 into this one. So 2 minus 2t into I here. Here plus 2t. Here plus 3s into I. Into I. Okay na? So then after j coefficients here, same type of here. 4 into this one. So 4 into 1, 4 minus 4t plus 3t minus 2s into j plus k. 2 into this one. So 2 minus 2t plus 5t plus s into k. Okay. So I coefficient, j coefficient, k coefficient written here. Okay. Now we are simplify this one. R equals to 2 minus 2t plus 2t both are cancelled plus 3s only we get here. So that is I. Okay. Now next one plus 4 as this minus 4t plus 3t minus t minus 2s into j plus 2 as this minus 2t plus 5t, that is nothing but plus 3t plus s into k. So this is equation number 1. Okay now. So we find out here these 2 points are intersecting here. Why? Because here meets the plane. Also find the point. If this is the equation passing through the 2 points parallel to the one vector is nothing but this is. Then after also find the point, and that is meets the line joining these points here. Okay, అంటే ఈ పాయింట్స్ గుండా పోయే లైన్ ని ఈ ప్లేన్ ని ఈ పాయింట్స్ గుండా పోయే లైన్ టచ్ చేస్తుంది అంటున్నాడు. ఆ టచ్ చేసే పాయింట్ కూడా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటున్నాడు. ఓకేనా? అంటే ఫస్ట్ మనం ఇక్కడ ఈక్వేషన్ కూడా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఈ పాయింట్స్ గుండా పోయే ఈక్వేషన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఆ ఈక్వేషన్ ని టచ్ చేసే అంటే ఈ ప్లేన్ ని టచ్ చేసే పాయింట్ కూడా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, నౌ వెక్టర్ ఈక్వేషన్ పాసింగ్ టు ది 2 points is nothing but already a comma b comma c we taken here. Now and t comma s also we taken. So we don't take it t comma s and a comma b comma c. So we are taking one more point here. There d comma e. So d of d equals to 2i plus j plus 3k, and e of e equals to 4i minus 2j plus 3k. 4i minus 2j plus 3k. So see here the vector equation passing through 2 points is r equals to 1 minus x we take here, one more variable, already t comma s we take in here. Okay, so that's why 1 minus x we take here. 1 minus x into d plus x into e, that is nothing but r equals to 1 minus x into d. What is d? 2i plus j plus 3k plus x into e, 4i minus 2j plus 3k. Okay students, here now r equals to 1 minus x into here 2i 4i, I coefficients we write here, I j k. So I coefficient 2 ఉంది కాబట్టి 2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 2 into 1 2 అవుతుంది, 2 into x 2x అవుతుంది, minus 2x అవుతుంది. సో 2 minus 2x. నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ కూడా I కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఉంది కాబట్టి అది 4 into x 4x అవుతుంది. సో వి గెట్ హియర్ 2 minus 2x plus 4x into I. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి j కోఎఫిషియంట్స్ వి రైట్ హియర్. j కోఎఫిషియంట్, వాట్ ఇస్ j కోఎఫిషియంట్ హియర్? j కోఎఫిషియంట్ 1 ఉంది, 1 into ఇది కాబట్టి 1 minus x యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఉంటుంది. సో హియర్ j కోఎఫిషియంట్ -2 into x, సో minus 2x వి గెట్ హియర్. ఓకేనా? సో ఇంటూ j. నెక్స్ట్ ప్లస్ k. K coefficient here 3 into this one, 3 into 1, 3 into x, 3x. Next 3 into x, 3x. So k. So plus 3x minus 3x both are cancelled. We get here r equals to 2 minus 2x plus 2 plus 4x కాబట్టి plus 2x వస్తుంది, plus 2x into I plus 2xi. ఇలా వస్తాము 2 plus 2x into I వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ప్లస్ 1 minus 3x into j వస్తుంది, ప్లస్ ఓన్లీ 3 ఉంది కాబట్టి 3 into k 3k వస్తాము. ఇది ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 2 అనుకోండి. ఓకేనా. ఫ్రమ్ ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 1 and 2 LHS ఈక్వల్. సో R is also equals here. From 1 and 2 we write now from 1 and 2 on equating the coefficients here. On equating the coefficients I comma j comma k. ఓకేనా. సో ఫ్రమ్ 1 and 2 I comma j comma k కోఎఫిషియంట్స్ వస్తాయి. ఇక్కడ RHS ఏముందంటే, సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ I will write ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 1 and 2 both are equal. So that's why we write now 2 plus 3s into I. So 2 plus 3s into I plus 4 minus t minus 2s into j. 4 minus t minus 2s into j plus 2 plus 3t plus s. 2 plus 3t plus s into k. That equals to this one here. 2 plus 2x into I plus 1 minus 3x into j plus 3k. Plus 3k. Okay na? Now we write here I coefficient here. That is nothing but I coefficient. That is I coefficient. What are they? 2 plus 3s in LHS. In RHS 2 plus 2x. So both sides 2 gets cancelled. We get here 2x equals to 3s. That implies x equals to 3s by 2. We get here, that is equation number 3. So we got here x value in terms of s, that is nothing but 3s by 2. Okay na? Now we write here j coefficient here. What is j coefficient? I will write here 4 minus t minus 2s, that equals to 1 minus 3x. 1 minus 3x. Okay na? So then after see here, that implies 4 minus t minus 2s as it is. Now we know the value of x. Now I will substitute here 1 minus 3 into 3s by 2. In place of x we substitute here 3s by 2. అంతేనా. ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 3 నుంచి మనకు x వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ t కామ s లో మనకి ఇంతకుముందు ఈక్వేషన్ ఉంటుండే. సో t కామ s లోకి మనం సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేంజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఓకేనా. ఇక్కడ x వాల్యూ వచ్చింది, x వాల్యూ మనకు 3s by 2 ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తున్నాం డైరెక్ట్ గా. సో వాట్ వి గెట్ హియర్ 4 minus t minus 2s, that equals to 1 minus 3 into 3 అవుతుంది 9s అవుతుంది 9s by 2. 9s by 2. ఓకేనా. సో 9s by 2 take this side. టోటల్ 2 minus t minus 2s ఉంది కాబట్టి ఆ రెండు వాల్యూస్ తీసుకెళ్తే ప్లస్ అవుతుంది. ఈ 1 ని తీసుకురండి. ఓకేనా. 4 minus 1, that equals to t plus 2s minus 9s by 2. ఓకేనా. So now we take an LCM. So that is nothing but 3. 4 minus 1 3. Now take LCM 2t plus 2 into 2 4s minus 9s. That implies 3 2s are 6 out of me discuss 3 into 2 6. That equals to 2t minus 5s we get here. This is equation number 4. Okay, 2t minus 5s equals to 6 we got here. T comma s lo vachesindamma. Next k coefficients we write now. What are the k coefficients here? That is nothing but 2 plus 3t plus s, that equals to 3 only. That implies 3t plus s equals to 3 minus 2. That implies 3t plus s equals to 1. So this is equation number 5. Okay na. So here equation number 4 also, 4 comma 5 also in terms of t comma s. T comma s. So we are solving these two equations, we get here t and s values. Okay na. On solving 4 and 5. 4 and 5. What we get here? See here. Okay na. So how to solve here? 2t minus 5s equals to 6. 2t minus 5s equals to 6. Okay. Now here 3t plus s equals to 1 is there, but here 5s is there. So we are multiplied by 5 both sides. What we get here? 5 into 3 into 15 of the 15t plus 5 into s 5s, that equals 5 into 1 5. Now we get this equation. Okay na. అంటే ఈ రెండు ఈక్వేషన్ సాల్వ్ చేస్తున్నాం. సాల్వ్ చేసినప్పుడు మైనస్ 5 వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ s ఉంది కాబట్టి ప్లస్ 5 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఆటోమేటిక్ గా రెండింటిని కూడా ఈక్వేటింగ్ చేసినట్టు అవుతుంది. సో దట్స్ వై వి ఆర్ మల్టిప్లైయింగ్ 5 into 3 15 అవుతుంది, 5 into s 5s, 5 into 1 5 అవుతుంది. సో ప్లస్ 5s minus 5s both are cancel. So we get the remaining values here 15t plus 2t 17t, that equals to 6 plus 5 11, that implies t equals to 11 by 17 we get here. T equals we got here 11 by 17. Now from equation number 5 we get here 3t, t is nothing but 11 by 17 plus s, that equals to 1. That equals to 1. Okay. So 33 by 11, 17 plus s equals to 1. Okay. So what we get here? We get here 33, s equals to 1 minus 33 by 17. So s equals to what we get here? 17 minus 33 by 17. So s equals to what we get here? Minus, so minus what we get here? 33 minus 17. So 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 is nothing but 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. So minus 16 by 17 we get here. Minus 16 by 17. Okay na? Minus 16 by 17 we got here s value, and t value 11 by 17. Now we find out here x value from equation number 3. We find out here x value. So x equals what we get here? 3 into s by 2. 3 by 2 into s, that is nothing but, so 3 into x equals to 3 by 2 into s, that is minus 16 by 17. So 2 ones are 2 8s are. So x value we got here minus 24 by 17. So we got here x value, s value and t value. Okay na? s కామా t కామా x వాల్యూ వచ్చేసినాము. మనకు వచ్చిన తర్వాత మీరు ఏం చేయాలంటే t కామా s వాల్యూ ఏమో ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 1 లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే మనకు వస్తుంది పాయింట్, లేదంటే x వాల్యూ ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 2 లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసినా మనకు పాయింట్ వస్తుంది. అంటే ఏదైనా కానీ సేమ్ పాయింట్ వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? సో దట్స్ వై వీఆర్ సబ్స్టిట్యూటింగ్ x equals to minus 24 by 17 in equation 2. ఓకేనా? ఒకటి x వాల్యూ ఉంది కాబట్టి సింప్లిఫికేషన్ ఈజీ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి నేను ఇందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తున్నా. లేదు ఇందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసినా మనకు t కామా s వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసినా సేమ్ పాయింట్ వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా స్టూడెంట్స్? హియర్ సో నౌ సీ హియర్ r equals to 2 plus 2x. x value what is there? Minus 24. So 2 plus 2 into minus 24 by 17 I. Okay na? 2 plus 2 into minus 24 by 17 I. Next 1 minus plus 1 minus 3 into minus 24 by 17 j. Next plus 3k as it is, plus 3k. Okay na? Now simplify this is r equals to, so what we get here? 17 2s are 34 minus 24 4s are 48 divided by 17 I we get here, plus 17 1s are 17 minus into minus plus 24 3s are 72 divided by 17 j plus 3k as it is, plus 3k as it is. Okay na? So what we get here? R equals to, now simplify it is minus 48 plus 34. So 8 minus 4 అంటే 4 అవుతుంది. 4 minus 3 అంటే 1 అవుతుంది. So minus 14 by 17 into I plus 89 divided by 17 j plus 3k we get here. So this is the equation. This is the equation. So what is point of intersection here? It is in the form of xi plus yj plus zk. So that's why x comma y comma z is the point here. So what we get here? Point of intersection. Point of intersection is, I will write here in point form here, that is minus 14 by 17 x value and y value 89 by 17 comma z value 3. So this is the point of intersection of two lines here. Okay, so what is that one? First equation of the plane and second one is another equation. So in these two equation they are meeting at the point minus 14 by 17 comma 18 by 17 comma 3. Okay students here, so this is the most important problem also. Okay students, I request to all, please subscribe to our channel A Square Maths Academy. Okay, thank you for watching.